Okay, alright. So for creating a formula, you need to type in the formula bar. Okay, so formula begins with equal sign. Okay, so when building formulas manually, you can either type in the cell addresses or you can point to them in the worksheet. Okay, so using the pointing method to supply the cell addresses for formulas, okay, actually is more easier and more powerful method of formula building. Okay, so when you are using built-in functions, you click the cells or drag through the cells range that you want to use when defining the function's arguments in the function arguments dialog box. Okay, so as soon as you complete a formula entry, okay, Excel calculates the results, okay, which is then displayed inside the cell within the worksheet. Okay, so if you make an error in the formula that prevents Excel from being able to calculate the formula at all, Excel displays an alert dialog box suggesting how to fix the problem. Okay, and then there is a subtopic, okay, that we will discuss about a common error in Microsoft Excel later. Okay, so here, all right, so let's we go to our Microsoft Excels here. Okay, so this is the data, okay, that I have here, okay, to give you an example. All right, and then this is the formula, the equations. Okay, so now I want to show it to you how we want to enter a formula inside Microsoft Excel. Okay, so you need to remember, okay, so the formula begins with equal sign. Okay, so example here, I want the result to be displayed, okay, inside this cell. So I need to create the formula in which cells that you want to display the results. Okay, example, all right, so this is a cell that I want to display the results. So I double click, I start with an equal sign. Okay, so you still remember earlier I said about using the pointing method, okay, to supply the cell addresses for formulas. Okay, so what it means by pointing method, okay, you use your mouse, okay, you move your cursor to, okay, in this equation we want to refer to B3, so you move your cursor to the cell B3. So you click at B3, automatically they will display the cell address inside the formula. Okay, and then we follow with the operator, so plus sign, okay, and then B4. Okay, so and then we have minus here, C4. So you move your cursor to the C4. All right, and then what you need to do is just press enter. All right, so ta-da. Okay, so Microsoft Excel will automatically, okay, calculates the results, okay, which is, okay, when you display, you will see, okay, it will display inside the cells, okay, that you within the worksheet. Okay, all right, so how do you want to know it contains a formula? All right, so either you double click, okay, at the cells, okay, you will see they will display back the formula, or you can refer at the formula bar. Okay, all right, so the next equations, okay, so we want to have B1 C1, okay, B1, okay, plus with C1 multiply with D1. Okay, so please, okay, you still remember about the precedence, okay, the order of the arithmetic precedence. Okay, so in this case, okay, in this equation, which one you need to settle first? Okay, is a C1 multiply with D1 and then you add with B1. Okay, so how about we do it manually first before we use a computer to calculate it? Okay, so C1, we refer to C1. C1 contains 3. 3 times with D1. D1 contains 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. Alright, and then when you get the answer of 6, then you plus with B1 is 10. So the answer will be 16. Okay, so let's retry. Okay, either we get the correct answer. Okay, so this time I want you to enter the formula at the formula bar. Okay, there is another way. You just can enter the formula. You also can enter a formula at the formula bar. So, okay, as the first one, okay, all formulas need to start with an equal sign. Okay, so use your mouse. You click at B1. Okay, alright, and then plus symbol. Okay, C1. Alright, and then multiply with D1. So what you need to do after that, okay, you just press enter, so you will get the same answer, that is a 16. Okay, alright, so next, okay, question C. Alright, so can we do it manually first? Okay, before we start, before we use Microsoft Excel. Okay, so when you see these questions, okay, they have a division and also multiplication. Okay, so in this case, which one you need to settle first? Because okay, both of it, alright, in the same level, so you just follow from the equal sign. Okay, so D3 divide by D1. D3 is 6, D1 is 2. 6 divide by 2 is 3. 3 times with B1 is 10, so you will get the answer is 30. Okay, so now let's try together. Equal sign. Okay, use your mouse. Okay, you click at D3. Okay, using okay slash symbol for divide, D1, and then asterisk for multiplication, B1. Okay, and then you press enter, so you will get the same answer, that is a 30. Okay, so next question. Alright, as usual is okay, let's try to calculate it without using a computer first. Okay, alright, so B1 divide by C3 minus with B2 multiply with A3. Okay, so in this case, okay, you need to settle this part first. Okay, B1 divide with C3, and then you get the answer. Hold for a while, you settle for B3 multiply with A3, you get the answer, then you combine the answer for this operator minus. Okay, so B1 is 10, 10 divide by C3 is 2, you will get the answer is 5. Okay, alright, and then B2 is 5 times with A3 minus 3, so you will get minus 15. Okay, so minus 15. Alright, so 5 minus 15. Okay, because minus, okay, and then is a minus 15. Okay, minus with minus 15, so there will be 5 plus 15, you will get the answer is 20. Okay, so let's try together. Equal sign, B1, okay, divide with C3 minus B2 multiply with A3. Okay, and then you press enter, you will get the same answer, that is a 20. Okay, alright, so the last one. Okay, when you see here, there is a 3 levels of arithmetic operators. Here we have plus sign, we have multiplication, and we have addition, multiplication, and also the exponentiation. Okay, so in this case, you need to okay, get the answer for the exponentiation first. Alright, when you get the answer, you multiply with B2, then you get the answer, you will plus with A2. Okay, so now, Alright, so we try to calculate it first manually without using a computer. C3 is 2 exponent, C1 2 exponent. Okay, 3 will get 8. Okay, 8 multiply with B2 is 5. 40 plus with A2, 40 plus with A2 is 4, so you will get the answer is 44. Okay, so now let's try, okay, using a computer. Equal sign, use your mouse. A2 plus with B2 multiply with C3, alright, and then exponent, okay, C1. Okay, alright, so when you press enter, you will see you will get the same answer, that is 44. Okay, so when you see here, okay, there is a formula, okay, inside these cells. Okay, so how you want to show the formulas, okay, either you double click, okay, you double click at the cells that contain a formula, they will display the formula here, or you can refer to the formula bar. So but this one is only for certain of cells. Okay, so how about if you want to display, alright, the worksheet, mean all the cells, okay, display the formula. Alright, so what you can do is, okay, you go to formula tabs, okay, formulas tabs, okay, inside the ribbon there is a formula auditing group, okay, alright, and then you can click, alright, you can click this button name as a show formulas. Alright, so when you click this button, you will see they will display all the cells with formulas. Okay, so if you don't want to display the formula, you want to display the actual values, okay, you can uncheck back the, okay, click again the show formulas button. Okay, alright, and then the shortcut key, okay, to show and unshow the formula is by using Control tilde button on your keyboard. Okay, so if you see here, alright, the descriptions of the show formulas, they give you the shortcut key. That is a Control plus with tilde symbol. Okay.